Hello, my friends. Mrs. Thomas here to teach you how to add your bookmarks bar and then how to add bookmarks. This is going to make it way easier for you to find all of your links every day, your Google Classroom, your homepage links, things like WeVideo and Sora and Epic. I'm going to show you some really easy tricks to help keep all of that organized. I'm starting here on Google, and you can notice across the top I don't have a bar of bookmarks. Bookmarks are links that I can go back to, and because they're on my screen all the time, I can get to them really quickly. The first thing I want you to do is come over here to your three little dots, click on Bookmarks, and then go down to Show Bookmarks Bar. If you could see my bookmarks bar, this would have a check mark beside it. But because there's no check mark, I can't see my bookmarks bar. I'm going to click on it, and there are my bookmarks. You can see that I've got Disney done, Epic done, Google, all of my bookmarks are here. I have the video that Ms. Bonda wants me to save open in another tab. If I want to save this YouTube video and make it a bookmark, I'm going to click up here in the web browser on the website. I'm going to hold down my mouse button and drag it down onto my bookmarks bar and then let go. And it's going to place it on there. Now, if I'm on a different web page and I want to get back to it to practice my dance, I can just click there and it's going to take me right back to that video. There we go. Some other tips and tricks I want to show you are, you can see that some of my links here only have the icon. There's no words. So for example, with the one we just did, you can see Count on Me and the YouTube logo. If I just wanted to keep the YouTube logo, I can right click on the words, click on Edit, and then delete the name. When I press save, it's only going to save the YouTube logo. The other thing you can do to add more bookmarks in your bookmark bar is add a folder. You can see here, there's one for Matt and one for Chris. If I right click on my bookmarks bar again and I go down to add folder, I can add a new folder. Maybe I want to call it daily links. Maybe I want to add one for dances. There's a dance folder. If I want to put a link in it, I just hold down my mouse on the bookmark again and I drag it over and put it inside that folder. Now when I click on the dances folder, my YouTube link is there, and if I had 4 or 5 dances, I could put all of them in that folder and keep my bookmarks bar nice and organized. Remember, if you have any questions, you can reach out to your teacher or any of your VTLs. Good luck. Bye for now.